I want you to think. Have you ever been alone on Christmas? Have you ever had to buy your own presents? It's not funny! This is serious stuff, it's not funny! I cried! Stop laughing! Can you be serious now? Just spit on me. I haven't even started talking yet! Have you ever walked in a park? You ready? Can you do this now? Yeah. Have you ever sat on a park bench? Looked up at the stars? Have you ever forgotten your own birthday? Who forgets their own birthday? See, my laugh is contagious. Have you ever killed? Sorry. Have you ever sat down and thought about how big the world is? You done? Okay, now I'm done. Have you ever walked in the rain? Have you ever cried in front of fire? No, but you're funny. My friend Shelby is going to tell us her story. The other day, I was walking on the street. Played guitar. Yes. So one day, passing by, and there was this guitar case. I read this, and I was like, at first I was like, what are they doing? Then I realized he is playing for money. This is what you got out of it? Yes. I'm sorry. Sorry.